This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm at the all-new 811 Uptown, looking out on a community garden that's just been planted that has a ton of space, but occupies only a small portion of this enormous pool deck and outdoor deck at 811. Building is pet friendly. It's dog run here. And I'm headed toward the pool. Lots of recreational space here if you want to throw some frisbees around. Outdoor seating in the shade. Deck is facing south and west, so you're always going to get great sunlight here when the sun is shining. Play some bing bag. You have a ton of lounging space and lounge chairs around a large pool. Grilling area. Great open feel here. It's like you're in a private park. I'm going to head upstairs for a walk through one of the apartments. I've just walked into Unit 2015, a studio. Bath is off to the left as you enter. It's very appealing finishes. There's a deep soaking tub, wide vanity with a quartz counter, and 2 banks of drawers for storage. There's a light frame mirror. You're seeing the plank flooring that extends throughout the unit and the high ceilings. You have an efficient one-wall kitchen with gray quartz countertops, white tile backsplash. Stainless steel appliance package includes a dishwasher, a built-in microwave, a 4-burner gas range. There's a wide farm-style sink that's deep. The gooseneck faucet has a spray attachment. Coat closet is off to your left as you head into the unit. And just beyond that, it's a full-size front-loading washer-dryer and a laundry closet that has additional shelving. Shelving's a nice touch that you don't always see. Heading into the living area, look at a wide wall of windows, roller blinds, walk-in closet just beyond the sleeping area. In total, you have more storage than you're going to find in most typical studios. You have this great view out to the west. You're going to have fabulous sunset views from here. Looking out at the Wilson L stop, the nearby Target, just a short walk away. Very appealing studio with great finishes. And when you visit this model, be sure to check out the refrigerator. It's a side-by-side refrigerator freezer, and it is kitted out with some of the best goodies you're going to find in a model apartment to get you carved up and hydrated and make your apartment tour a happy one. Definitely want to put 811 on your must-see list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.